Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 9, Objective. Draw teen numbers from abstract to pictorial. So writing our teen numbers and then being able to draw them out organized way, our 5-group way, just like this, so that the circles are not all over the place, but they're nice and neat in our 10 frames. Let's get started. All right, first we're going to play a game called Dot Cards of 9. I will show you a card. You will tell me how many dots you see and how you see them in 2 parts. So I'll give you a second to look at that. Remember, they're dot cards to 9. So how many dots? 9. Good. I'm going to split mine up like this. I've got 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. You might have broken it up a different way. Just make sure that your numbers make 9. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Oh, this one's already broken up for us. So think about the 2 parts that you see. Quickly get those parts in your head, and we're going to say the sentence. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Good. Those are the 2 parts that we see, 4 and 5. How do you see these in 2 parts? Good. I'm going to draw it just like this. I'm going to say 3 and 6 makes 9. I know that really quick because I know my fact fluency to 9. All right, last one, friends. Yep, right away you can count that because it's so small. 5 and 4 make 9. Great job. All right, we're going to play how many more. So show me with your fingers how many dots you see and then add one more and say the whole sentence with me, okay? So how many dots? 8. All right, so let's say the sentence. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Good, you're counting up 1. All right, how many dots? 7. Say your sentence. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Good job. 3 and one more is 4. Good job. Say 3 plus 1 equals 4. Nice and quick in your brains, friends. Last one. 1 and one more is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Great job. All right, today we will practice separating and counting objects as 10s and some 1s. So let's count and see how many I have in my bag and put them in a bunch if I have 10. I'll show you how to do that. All right, let's go ahead and see what's inside the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that I have a bunch of 10, I'm going to separate any other bears that I have a little bit down below for a second group. Remember, we have 10. Let's count on 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh. See if there's any more in there. 14 and don't see any more. Okay, so we've got, oh, here I think. Perfect. All right, so we've got 10 and 4. 10 ones and 4 ones equals 14. Can you write 14 on your board with me? What number do we write first for 14? A 1. We do. Why do we write a 1? What does the 1 represent? The bunch of 10, the 10 ones that we have up here at the top. Good. And so when we write 14, we write a 1 and a 4. Down, across, down, some more. That's the way to make a 4. Make sure your numbers look like this and nothing's reversed. Good job, friends. All right. Today for our application problem, we have Susie who drew 15 things with 1 chip and 5 more chips. So draw 15 things as 10 ones and 5 ones. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to do Susie's chips. She has 1 chip here and she has 5, we'll change the color. And she has 5 chips over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Susie says that she has 15 chips. A 1 and a 5. 15, right? Right. That doesn't make sense. It's not 1 in the number 15. It represents 10. So Susie needs to add 10 to her purple. She can't just have 1 over there. So we're going to add that for her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now she's representing 15 in her picture with 10 ones are over here that are purple and 5 ones that are over here that are green. Great job. All right, remember to practice your vocabulary, your team numbers, writing them, and placing them in the correct order. Good job. All right, we're going to do something different. If you have a paper, a pencil, or a whiteboard and a marker, I'm going to show you a team number, and I want you to draw that many circles to represent it. Okay, remember, we are drawing the 5 group way. We're not going to draw our circles all over the place because that's going to make it really confusing to keep track of what we have. Okay, so let's look at our first number. Let me actually put this right here. So our first number is 13. So I want you on your board to draw me 13 circles. Okay, make it nice and neat, just like I've been doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 blue ones and 3 orange ones. I have 13 circles. Make sure yours matches mine. Great. Make sure that your groups are a little bit separated so you can tell and quickly see, oh, this is 10 and 3. 10 and 3 makes 13. Challenge yourself. Write that number sentence, friends. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Well done. All right, I'm going to remove all of my writing. We're going to move this one over here. All right. Go ahead and show me that number. Show me 16 on your board. Good. We're going to do a quick set of 10. We know that there's 5 on top. There's 5 on the bottom. Now I've got my 10. 10 and how many extra ones? 6. Good. I have 10 orange ones and 6 green ones. Well done. The number is 16. This 1 represents this bunch of 10. Great job. Let's do one more. You can practice this at home with all of the team numbers to get really good at this. All right, for this one, I want to see a picture and a number sentence. G-O, go. All right, I'm making my 10 right now. I know it's a little bit quicker for me on the board with my marker, but do your best and pause the video if you need some time. And then I have 5 extra ones. I know that because I'm looking at the ones column right here, and I see the number 5. I can represent 15 with a bunch of 10 ones here. That represents this one, and 5 extra ones here. Great job. And our number sentence, 10 and 5 equals 15. Look at you doing math with such big numbers. Well done. All right, friends, we are going to continue practicing with these 2 numbers. So show me 12 on your board and show me 17 on your board. Watch Mrs. Plitt as I show you how we add in our circles, okay? First, I'm going to show you how we don't fill in 10 frames. We don't want to fill in 10 frames like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that's really confusing. And when I look at that, I don't even know how many I have. It's very hard to see. So we're going to go in order. And we know that 12 has a bunch of 10. It has 10 ones right here because of the 1 in the tens column. So I'm going to immediately fill in that 10 frame all the way up. So easy to see that we have 10, right? Instead of them being all over the place. Now I know that I have 2 extra ones. So I'm going to add 1, 2. 10 and 2 equals 12. Good. Do the same thing for 12 on your board and 17. How many 10s do we have? 10 ones. We have one of those, looking at the tens column up here, and we have how many ones? How many extra ones? 7. Good. Again, I'm going to keep it nice and organized. I've got 5, and you can go down here, or you could start up here for your extra ones. 5, 6, 7, 17. Well done. All right, friends, for our last problem, there are 10 ones and 5 ones. Can you make a drawing and a number sentence all by yourself for me? What would this drawing look like? 15. Show me 10 ones and 5 ones. Good. So we're going to do 10 over here. Remember, I'm doing this quickly because I know when I have 5 that I drop down and give it 5 more. This is my 10 ones, and I'm going to do 5 ones that are blue. And then I'm going to write my number sentence. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Great job today, friends. Thanks for joining me.